Hi, everyone. Today, Millie has 5 cafe conversations. Each scene has 30 lines. Slow speed. Repeat after me. Hello, good morning. I would like some coffee, please.
Good morning. What kind of coffee would you like?
I want a small, hot cappuccino.
Sure. Would you like sugar in it?
Yes, please add 1 spoon of sugar.
Okay. 1 small cappuccino with sugar.
How much does it cost?
It costs $3 only.
That sounds fine to me.
Would you like anything to eat?
Yes, I want 1 chocolate cookie.
Great choice. It is fresh today.
Please pack it to eat here.
Sure. You can sit near window.
Thank you. The cafe looks very nice.
Thank you. We try our best.
How long will my order take?
Only 3 minutes. Please wait.
No problem. I will wait here.
I will call you soon.
Okay, thank you very much.
You are welcome.
The smell of coffee is lovely.
Yes, many people like it.
I come here often.
We are happy to see you.
This place feels calm.
That is good to hear.
Thank you for your service.
Enjoy your coffee, Millie.
Hi, I'm glad you came early.
Yes, I was very hungry today.
Let us choose snacks together.
Sure. What do you recommend here?
Their sandwiches are really tasty.
I like simple vegetable sandwiches.
Then you should try that one.
Okay, I will order it.
I want a cheese sandwich.
Do you want coffee or tea?
I already ordered coffee.
Then I will get hot tea.
The menu is easy to read.
Yes, pictures help a lot.
Shall we share a cake?
Yes, let us share 1 slice.
Chocolate or vanilla cake?
Chocolate sounds better to me.
Okay, chocolate cake it is.
This cafe feels friendly.
I like coming here after work.
Same. It feels relaxing.
Our order will arrive soon.
I'm excited to eat.
Food tastes better with company.
I agree with you.
Let us sit at that table.
Yes, it looks comfortable.
Thank you for joining me.
Thank you for inviting me.
Excuse me, can you help me, please?
Yes, miss. How can I help?
I want something light to eat.
You can try our soup and bread.
Is the soup vegetarian?
Yes, it is fully vegetarian.
That sounds perfect for me.
Would you like small or large?
I want the small bowl.
Sure. Anything to drink?
Just normal water, please.
Cold or room temperature?
Room temperature is fine.
Okay, I will bring it soon.
Thank you for explaining clearly.
You are welcome.
How spicy is the soup?
It is very mild.
That is good for me.
Please wait at your table.
I will sit near the wall.
I noted your table number.
The cafe is quiet today.
Yes, afternoons are calm here.
I like this peaceful time.
Many customers say that.
I will come again soon.
We will be happy to serve you.
Thanks for your help.
Enjoy your meal.
Hello, I want to pay my bill.
Sure. May I see your receipt?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you. Please wait a moment.
No problem.
Your total is $8.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, card payment is available.
Here is my card.
Please enter your PIN.
Okay, I entered it.
Payment is successful.
Great, thank you.
Would you like the receipt?
Yes, please give it to me.
Here you go.
The service was very good.
Thank you for saying that.
I enjoyed my time here.
We are glad to hear that.
The staff is friendly.
We try our best always.
I will visit again.
We will wait for you.
Have a nice day.
You too, miss.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
See you soon.
See you.
Hello. I really liked this cafe.
Thank you. We are happy you came.
The food was simple and tasty.
We focus on fresh, simple food.
The place feels calm and clean.
Clean space makes people relaxed.
Your staff is very polite.
I will share your kind words.
I often practice English here.
That is wonderful to hear.
Cafes are good for learning.
Yes, people talk and relax.
I will bring my friends next time.
We would love that.
Do you open every day?
Yes, we open daily.
What time do you close?
We close at 10 at night.
That is good to know.
Please come anytime.
Thank you for everything today.
You are always welcome here.
I feel happy leaving this place.
That makes us proud.
Have a nice evening.
You too, Millie.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
See you again soon.
See you soon.
Practice all 150 lines daily.
Listen, repeat, and speak confidently.
Subscribe Slow to Flow.